Today, we'll talk about how to trade very complex setups and rallies. We will use our best trading strategy with our best TradingView indicator. If you're ready, let's do this. Let's take a look at the SUI trade, new week and the first trade. As usual, we will dissect everything from weekly to minute-based charts. SUI was in the top 5 gainers today, but it was not a coincidence. I will explain it soon. In the weekly time frame, notice what happens here. A weekly market structure break occurs here with a small tiny imbalance. This simple price action ignites the mega 6 weeks rally. However, there are more interesting things here. Buyers are extremely strong. They keep hunting the previous week's high every new week. There is no chance of any pullbacks. Sellers are destroyed. No chance at all. This is one of the strongest buyers that I have ever seen recently. There is also this current year high waiting as a target here for the future reference. In the momentum chart, I am using our best indicator, ICT high time frame candles. With the power of this indicator, I can see the inner rally patterns with hourly and minute-based time frames. Let's see what this indicator tells me. The first inner hourly rally started right here with the supercharging imbalances. Then the price broke out and started to pull back, as you can see, resting and fueling up for the second rally. Now after that, recently I have noticed this imbalance area for the possible third rally. Now what do I have here? A place for third rally and a very strong bias, a previous week high waiting to be hunted. Remember, in the last weeks, buyers hunted the previous week highs. I asked myself, why not hunt another weekly high? My masterclass 3 layout system works perfectly here. I have a very strong bias with an excellent pattern-based momentum rallies. There is only one thing left to do, just find an entry. Moreover, this area is actually a nice, very good support resistance flip area. This is another sign of extreme confirmation for me. Okay, now let's get closer to the entry area. Right here, market structure breaks with a nice imbalance, as you can see. However, I missed the first move. Later on, structure breaks one more time, giving you the first break of structure with the gigantic imbalance. Now this entry has a big problem. We have a gigantic imbalance and the target is very close actually. There's no close place for a proper stop loss point. This is why I used here the masterclass rally strategy instead of the regular traditional risk-reward based system. With RR based system, the profit will be so small. In this trade, I risked the money without any fear. Why? Because the perfect bias with the proper momentum patterns. However, we are not greedy. 2-3% gain is more than enough. Get in and get out. We are done for the day. As you can see later on, the price moved like crazy here. As I told you, buyers are so strong in this coin. However, this move is just a fantasy for day traders and scalpers. If you want to survive in the trading game and turn into a professional long-term trader, you need to leave the greed out of your system. You get in and get out. Rest of the market and the movements does not concern you. Get in, get out, get in, get out, get in, get out. No greed or no hope. You need to become like a robot, a machine. Okay friends, this is it for the day. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.